Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve first order linear partial differential equation. So this is a question which is p plus q is equal to sin x plus sin y. So this is in the form of function of x comma y comma p comma q is equal to 0. So this question can be solved by separable equation, which is the method of separable equation. So in this question we are going to separate p and q terms and p and x terms and q and y terms. Then we are going to substitute p and q value in some equation, which is dz is equal to p dx plus q dy. Then we have to integrate both the sides. We will get the z value. So that is our completed. So now we are going to separate the equation as p x as in the LHS side, q y as in the RHS side. So p minus sin x, which is equal to sin y minus q. So in next step, you have to equate this two term with a constant. I am just writing my constant as a. So now I am going to equate this term to a and this term to a. So we will get p minus sin x is equal to a. Then sin y minus q is equal to a. Now I have to find p value and q value from this two equation. So I will get p is equal to minus sin x will be a plus sin x. Here I am just taking this minus q to this side, so that will be plus q, which is equal to sin y minus a. I am just taking this a to LHS side minus q to that side. So I will get q is equal to sin y minus a. So I will get p value and q value. Then you have to substitute this p and q in dz is equal to p dx plus q dy. So dz is equal to, what is p value? A plus sin x into dx plus sin y minus a into dy. Now I am going to do an integration both the sides. So I will get integral daz is equal to integral a dx plus integral sin x dx plus integral sin y dy minus integral a, dy. So now the integral dz will be z is equal to, here a is constant, just taking it outside, a, integral 1 into dx. Integral 1 into dx value will be x plus sin x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Integration of sin x, sin y is minus cos y. Minus a is constant, I am just taking that outside. Integral 1 into dy value will be y. So now z is equal to, I am just taking, combining the similar terms. So here ax minus y, I am just combining ax minus ay minus cos x minus cos y. So here from this two term, I am just taking a outside. So a times of x minus y minus cos x plus cos y. You just have to add a constant here. Whenever we are integrating our indefinite integral, we just have to add a constant here, right? So z is equal to a into x minus y minus cos x plus cos y plus c. So this is your required. This is your required complete integral. So for this form, there is no singular integral. There is no singular integral. So to find general integral, we have to substitute c value as function of a in complete integral, right? What is a complete integral equation? Z is equal to a of x minus y minus cos x plus cos y plus c. So in that we are going to substitute c value. So a times of x minus a minus cos x plus cos y plus f of a. Now we have to differentiate that ez with respect to a. So we will get dou z by dou a, which is equal to a with respect to a differentiation is 1. We have x minus y as a constant. So this term doesn't have a term. So this term will get vanished. Plus f of a, differentiation of f of a will be f dash of a. So I'm just marking it as equation number 1 and equation number 2. So by eliminating a from those equation, we'll get general integral. So this is the type of function of x comma y comma p comma q is equal to 0 function with x, y, p and q. So in this problem we have to separate p q terms and p x term and y q terms. Then we have to equate with a constant. With using that we have to separate p value and q value, and we have to substitute p and q in dez, which is dez is p dx plus q dy. From that you have to integrate both the sides. So from that you can get z value. So that is your complete integral. So there is no singular integral for this type. And to find general integral you have to substitute c is equal to f of a in complete integral. So after the substitution of c, you have to differentiate this ez. What you get? Dou z by dou is equal to x minus y plus f dash of a. So by eliminating a from those equations, we'll get the general integral.